everybody. I wanted to give you a little bit of help with this week's assignment, so let's jump right in to an example. This question says, in the figure below, AD and CE, those are segments, are diameters of a circle, so they cut the circle in half. And the question says, what is the arc measure of AEB in degrees? So really, for this question, we just have to understand what it's even asking. So first, arc AEB means you go to this circle, you start at point A, and you work your way around the circle until you get to whatever point it stops at. So it said start at A, go through point E, and then go all the way around until you get to point B. So that's what the arc is, and this question says, what's the arc measure? So what the heck does that mean? What is arc measure? What that means is you find the measure of this angle that does the same thing as the arc. So really this question says, what's the angle that I just made a mark on? Okay, so all you'll really have to do is a little bit of addition and subtraction and use what you know about lines and circles. So AD is a diameter of this circle. That means it cuts the circle in half. So that means that's 180 degrees where I just drew the little green mark. Since we have the part on the right is 93 degrees, I can do some subtraction to find the part on the left. So you can bring up your calculator if you want. Half of a circle is 180 degrees. If you subtract 93, you'll have 87 degrees for the other section. So we know that this is 87 degrees. And in the same way, CE is a diameter. Half a circle is 180. If you subtract off 93, you'll get that this section is also 87 degrees. So now all I have to do is add these four sections up. 87 plus 93 plus 87 plus 38. If I add those four sections up, I'll have the arc measure. So 87 plus 93 plus 87 plus, I already forgot what the fourth number was, 38 degrees. There we go, 38 degrees. So that angle has measured 305, and that's what's meant by the arc measure. So click check, see if we got it right. We did. And that's how you'll do that. The main thing that you have to know is all the way around the circle is 360 degrees, half a circle is 180, and a little bit of addition and subtraction will get you there. So hope this helped. I'll have another video on your next assignment coming up shortly.